Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through settings on Xiaomi Redmi Note 14R. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then click on My Device, and now you have to scroll down. Then click on Factory Reset, and then you have to scroll down and click on Erase All Data. Now click on Factory Reset, and here you have to wait for 10 seconds, and then you will have to click Next. Now click Next, and you have to wait for 10 seconds again, and then you will have to click OK. Now click OK, and now you have to wait. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to do phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.